This administration don't make progress to put Naija for the path of development. Presido Buhari na im talk this one. Presido for Naija Muhammadu Buhari don sign Executive Order 12 to promote transparency and accountability for good governance for Naija. Buhari signed this executive order for the end of the 2 days ministerial performance review retreat. Presido Buhari tok say from this talk wey shele for the 2 days, e show say they don't make ogbonge progress to put Naija for the path of development.
Report and discussions at this retreat, it is evident that we have made appreciable progress through collective efforts in setting the nation on the path of sustainable development while improving the well-being of our people. Notwithstanding these achievements, there are still unfinished business that we must speedily complete to ensure we finish well. We must, therefore, endeavor to close every gap in our implementation efforts to ensure the attainment of set targets by 2023.
Buhari constituted the National Assembly make them sharply pass some key legislative bill as them take agree during the panel session.
Let me use this opportunity to appeal to the National Assembly to fast-track the consideration and passage of key legislative bills as agreed during the panel session. This will serve as our collective legacy towards entrenching key reforms that will serve as a springboard for the next administration.
Buhari constitute say their plan now to create transition plan for the incoming government wey go document all the policies of this administration.
Any infraction will be viewed very seriously. Our collective goal is to map out a transition plan for the incoming administration to ensure proper documentation of all the policies, programs, and projects of government with up-to-date status of implementation.
Zainab Ahmed will be the finance minister, General Lucky Irabo will be the chief of defense staff, and Boss Mustafa will be the secretary to the government of the federation, constitute mouth for some government policies.
The Nigeria Agenda 2050 is a prospective plan designed to transform Nigeria into an upper-middle income country with an average GDP growth of $12 trillion by the year 2050.
There has to be a depoliticization of security issues such that we think Nigeria and act Nigeria.
The Central Delivery and Coordinating Unit will support Mr. President to track all the commitments made in these sessions and report on our progress before the end of the administration's tenure.
Former President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, dey on ground for the closing ceremony. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party on election day.